Today we are going to make a perfect holiday drink to make your winter all the more better. This drink is called Champurrado. First of all, we are going to be needing 1 medium pot, 1 medium bowl, 1 strainer, 3 cups of dried white maize, 2 3.1 ounce tablets of Mexican chocolate with a microwave safe container, 1 12 fluid ounce can of evaporated milk, and half a cup of sugar. We are going to soak our maize in water for 30 minutes. In a blender with 6 cups of water, we are going to add our maize. Blend slowly for a couple of seconds, then blend well on high speed for 3 minutes. Strain the maize into our medium bowl. We will be using the liquid left behind. Set that aside. Unwrap our 2 tablets of Mexican chocolate into a microwave safe container. Microwave for 1 minute. This will make it easier to blend later on. In a blender, we will add our chocolates, half cup of sugar, and our 1 can of evaporated milk. Blend on high speed for 1 minute. In our medium pot over high heat, add 15 cups of water. Before the water begins to boil, we will be adding our chocolate mixture. Then our maize. Lower the heat to a medium-high so it does not come to a complete boil. Continuously stir the bottom of the pot so the maize does not accumulate too much, since it can burn. Cook for 7.5 minutes. Remove from heat and let cool before serving. Serves 10 to 15 people. Feel free to drink this on its own or pair it nicely with a piece of pan dulce. Thank you for watching and enjoy. Until next time.